Food contamination amasung food poisoning na maram oiraga kanba yaba mi kaya siriba asi mipainingai nei COVID-19 laichet matamda chanakiba health hygiene protocol adugumna food safety ki protocol chanabagi matam oire haina National Sports University Imphal gi Vice Chancellor Daljit Singh Chowdhury na phongdorakle wafam asi ngasi Food Safety Administration Directorate of Health Services Manipuri amadi National Sports University Imphal na sinduna khumal lampakta leiba National Sports University ke multipurpose hall da pangthokhiba World Food Safety Day ki thoramda phongdokhibane From Burden to Solution Food Safety Everywhere haiba thimda pangthokhiba thoramadu da mahakna makhatana hai Abhaba amadi hakchangda sokningai oidaba chinjak phanganba haibase tangai fadraba miyoibagi hak amane United Nations General Assembly na assign tauba numit asina food poisoning amasung food contamination ki matangda akhanaba meeting thamle WHO amasung FAO gi data gi matung inna chinjak kamari leinaba laina kaya na maram oiraga kanba yaba mi kaya sibagi changwangle masina nupi angang yaungda miyoi khunaida chawna chetheng pire ngasi aikoina leiriba khunai asida yamna cheksinba Food Safety Protocol ama ngakna chatbagi tangai fadaba leire miyamda afaba chinjak phanghanbagi matangda educator amasung scientist singi achoba thodang lei numida sena lakpada aikhoi pumnamakna afaba chinjak chaba amade hakchang phana leinaba honaminarasi haina mahakna makhatana phongdokhi thoramaduda Health Services ki Director Dr. N. Hematakumar College of Food Technology, Central Agricultural University Imphal ki Dean Professor N.G. Ivoyaima, IBSD Microbial Resource Division ki Scientist Dr. Indira Sarangthem, NSU ki Oza amade mahiroi kaya galoinana Food Safety Administration ki official kaya su saruk yakhe. Thoramaduga mari laidana spelling bee competition da makok mathang tarak pasing taso manapiduna ikai khumnaba utke.
So this is very important. The same protocol, the same strictness is required. Now, we all know that food is our basic human right, a good, clean food. So we should always, as we have taken the pledge today, we should work on it as educators, as scientists, as teachers. And using this platform, we should always strive to foster a society where we get access to food which is absolutely safe to consume.